Now, I didn't know this because I don't really follow it, but Sean Puffy P. Daddy Combs went to court and his bond was revoked by the judge. Now, this is after P. Diddy offered up $50 million in bond, offered to sell his airplane, even offered up his mother's house as collateral to keep him from being detained. And when they went to court today, they shut him down. And the funny thing about this whole thing to me that sticks out is that when it comes to human trafficking and sexual charges, there has already been one precedent set. And that precedent was in the same place where I think P. Diddy finds himself, and that's in New York, right? And the last time there was somebody of fame and notoriety that had these kind of charges, his name was Jeffrey Epstein. And they revoked his bond too. And they put him in jail. And it quite possibly, I have not connected the dots, but I'm pretty sure that it will be the same jail that P. Diddy goes to. And that is where, that same jail, that the video cameras malfunctioned and 2 prison guards were disciplined because somehow, some way, the man that was not going to kill himself hung himself, and that would be Jeffrey Epstein. And the theory is that he didn't do it. There's a lot of people that feel that way because of the potential amount of clients on the Epstein Island list that we have yet to ever see. Imagine that. With all these law-abiding, gung-ho, super fucking politicians that do right by the people, they can't even get that right. And so my question in my head as I was going down the highway today when I seen it on the news is this. I wonder what the Vegas odds on the same thing happened to P. Diddy. Same place, same charges, and what is speculated to be just as big or maybe bigger of a clientele list and potential victims. And so it would not shock me that it would be a repeat of what we've already seen before when it comes to these type of allegations. Because he had enough money to get bond, for sure. It was almost, I don't know, $75 million he was willing to put up. Not that he don't deserve it if he's guilty, right? And there's a lot of evidence that leans that way. But I respect due process. But it would not surprise me if we find the same outcome in that case. Fluent English.